Today, we're going to be installing spacers by 4WheelSpacers onto my G80 M3. So here you can see you get your two wheel spacers. Seems like pretty good quality. It has a center hub ring. And yeah, so I went with 15 millimeters all around. I did try 13 before and seemed to be not as aggressive in the front. So I'm gonna try 15s this time. And they do come with extended lug nuts. So you got those as well. Or actually these are lug bolts. But yeah, so let's get started. So the tools you're going to be needing is a torque wrench to retorque the wheel after, your jack, and then an impact helps, remove easily the bolts and stuff. So you don't need that, but it's very useful. Makes your life easier. So we're going to start off by jacking up the rear end. We're going to start with the rear, and then we'll make our way around to the rest of the three wheels. I think it takes a 17 mil. Yeah, so it takes 17 mil, and you can remove your wheels. Pretty sure you're not supposed to use an impact on your locking one, but I'm kind of lazy.
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh, I should clean my wheels. I definitely need to clean. No way! No way! No way! And then you add a nail into your tire because, of course, you need a nail in your tire. Oh, God. I love my luck. I just fixed the other side, and now there's another nail in my tire.
Hi, you've reached Derek from Automark Autos.
God damn it. Bro, f my life.
What?
There's another nail in the next tire, over. I just took my wheels off to do my spacers, and there's a tire, or there's a nail in my tire in the rear again.
Closest to the sidewall.
It's in the middle. It's actually dead in the middle. I don't know where these nails are coming from.
Now back to the show.
So yeah, you just put the spacer on the wheel. So now we got the wheel back on, and we're ready to drop the car down. The Fitment looks so much better.
Nice.
Not a lot of poke. Still a bit more aggressive. And now we're going to be doing the front side. Hopefully I don't find another nail in my tire. So once you have put all your wheels back on, the spacers are on, you want to just torque down your wheel to, I did 104 pounds. I think the spec is like 101 or something, but yeah, I just did a little bit more, 104. Yeah, I just put it at 104. I've done this before with CTS turbo spacers. and they were fine. But I just found that the CTS ones at like higher speeds were a bit vibrating. So I tried to reinstall them, still didn't work. So that's why I went with this brand. I heard some great things about them, and well, hopefully it lives up to it. Seems everything's torque. And yeah, that's about it. So that concludes today's install of wheel spacers from 4WheelSpacers on my G80 M3. Make sure to subscribe for an extra horsepower.